Hello everybody, welcome to High Education Video Classroom, and today we will learn a new concept in English, Book 1, Lesson 88. Have you blah blah blah blah blah yet? Sağlık yaxshimizlar. Endi bugungi darsimiz hamda oldingi darsimizniki davomi, takrori. Bo'lib bu shu have you blah blah blah blah blah yet? Shu jumla ustida takror yaparmiz. Andaqda qaranglar. Tuvandagi bu jumla bor. Ham tuvandagi jumlani shuningki savol shakli onunki inkar shakliga aylantirib baqaylik. Masalan, birinchisini ulgu qilib sizlarga ko'rsatib qo'ysam, masalan, Ken has seen that film. Okay. Ken has seen that film. Demak, Ken o kinoni ko'rib bo'ldi. Endi buni hozir qilib ketgan zamonda savolga aylantirsa qanday bo'ldi desanglar, mush hasni oldiga chiqib olsak bo'ldi. Demak, has Ken seen that film yet? Okay, has Ken seen that film yet? Okay, inkar shakl jo'rsam, Ken hasn't seen that film yet. Ken o kinosini qanday qilmadi? Ko'rmadi. Has Ken seen that film yet? Ken hasn't seen that film yet. Ken o kinoni qanday qilmadi? Ko'rmadi. What about Sam? You know, Sam has had his holiday. Okay, amda o dam olishini o'tkazdi, bayram qildi. Sam has had his holiday. Nima? Amda buni savol shaklida nima dersan? O'xshashlarni hasni oldiga chiqib o'tgan bo'lsa, nima? Has Sam had his holiday? Okay, inkar shakl jo'rsam, Sam doesn't had his holiday yet. Ondan has Sam had his holiday yet? Endi müşari bir narsa bor, intayin diqqat qilganimiz. U bo'lsin nima desam, yerki yetning ishlatilishi. Yet degan textcha degan gap. Bu yet odatda savol jumla va inkar jumlalarda ishlatildi. Endi men bayon jumlada ishlatishga qo'llanmalar sanab bo'lmaydi. Faqat savol jumla, inkar jumla. Masalan, Sam hasn't had his holiday yet. Has Sam had his holiday yet? Degandek. Has Sam had his holiday yet? Okay, next one is Carol has made a shopping list. Okay, Carol has made a shopping list. Carol, nima deydi desanglar, allaburun bir mol sotilish tizimligini qanday qilib bo'ldi? Yasab bo'ldi. Okay, ammo buni nima deymiz desanglar, Carol hasn't made a shopping list. Carol qanday qilmadi? Textcha mol sotilish tizimligini qanday qilmadi? Yasimadi. You know, Carol hasn't made a shopping list. Okay, ammo savol shakl jo'ra desanglar, has Carol made a shopping list? U mol sotilish tizimligini yasadimi? Okay, mol sotilish tizimligini yasadimi? Demak, hasni oldiga chiqsa savol bo'ldi ekan, hasni keyingi nima qilib versaklar nima bo'ldi desanglar, inkor bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsa shu ko'proq mashq qilib baqaylik. More practice. Are you ready? Go. Written exercise example. I bought a house last year. Men o'tgan yili bir nima sotib oldim, uydan birni qanday qilib oldim, sotib oldim. Okay, I bought a house last year. Endi men aniqlab qanday o'tgan zaman. Keyinda aniq vaqt bor. Demak, o'tgan aniq ma'lum bir vaqt yuz bergan sharkatni ko'rsatadi. Okay, endi buni savol shakli qanday bo'ldi desam, o'tgan zamanniki odatda shu do yordamchi bo'ladi. Do yordamchi bo'lib ishbarinib chiqqanda bu yerda mau boyninki o'tgan zaman shaklini qaytib olib, bought nimaga aylandi desam, boyga aylandi. Bu did bo'ldi, shunami? Shu you'ning igining oldiga chiqib qo'ysak, ana bu demak savolga aylandi. Demak, did you buy a house last year? Okay, siz o'tgan yili uydan birini sotib oldingizmi? Did you buy a house last year? Okay, inkar shakl jo'rsam, I didn't buy a house last year. Men o'tgan yili uyni qanday qilmadim, sotib olmadim. I didn't buy a house last year. I didn't buy a house last year. Okay, next. You know, we heard the news on the radio. Okay, we heard the news on the radio. Okay, endi biz radiodan qanday qildik desanglar, bir xabarni qanday qildik? Angladik. Endi buni angladikmi? Okay, angladikmi desakchi? Bu o'xshashlam dugishda, men heard nimaga aylandi asl shakli? Hear ga aylandi. Oldiga igining oldida nima bo'ldi desanglar, did. Nima? Shu buncha bo'lganda mana nima desanglar, did we hear the news on the radio? Okay. Did you hear the news on the radio? Endi misharga igisi nimishga you aylandi desanglar, endi masalan biz angladik shunami? Biz so'g'andiki, sizlar angladingmi? deb so'raymiz. Shunga mishada did you hear the news on the radio deganga aylandi. Okay, inka şekli we didn't hear the news on the radio. Biz radiodaki ne qanday qilmadik, anglamadik. Okay. They left this morning. They left this morning. Ular bugun ertaga yo'lga chiqdi yoki ayrıldı. Shunami? Okay, did they leave this morning? Did they leave this morning? So he got a news last week. Okay, endi got bo'lgandan birasida qaysa get bo'lish nima? Demak, did he get a new car last week? Okay. Did he get a new car last week? Demakchi u o'tgan hafta yangi mashina sotib oldimi? Endi men yarikma got xato beslib qolibdi-ku, yana. Chuqumlarni did he got emasmi? Did he get? How did he get bo'lish kerak. Beshidagi cho'risanglar they didn't leave this morning. Shunami? They didn't leave this morning. Okay. Ingar shakli he didn't get a new car last week. O'tgan hafta yangi mashina qanday qilmadi? Sotib olmadi. He didn't get a new car last week. So what have they done and when did they do? Okay. What have they done? Ular qanday qildi? Nima ishni qildi? And when did they do? Ular qachon o ishni qildi? Masalan, Lily find pen an hour ago. Lily find pen an hour ago. And nima misol qaranglar. Meaning Lily has already found her pen. Lily found her pen an hour ago. Okay, degandek. Birisini shanday mana shu holatda hozir bitgan zamonda yana birisini nima desam, o'tgan zaman holatida qanday qilamiz jasaymiz mana. Xo'sh, hamsa keyingisi Jim meet Mrs. Jones 2 weeks ago. Okay, anda mush Mrs. Jones bilan Jim qanday qildi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi. U yerga shakli has nima done. Demak, igisi Jim have keladi has bo. Has meet no o'tgan bitgan shakli meet met. Shunami? Jim has met Mrs. Jones. Okay, Jim has met Mrs. Jones. Yoki Jim has already met Mrs. Jones. Jim allburun Mrs. Jones bilan qanday qilib bo'ldi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi. Endi ko'rishdimi degan savol shakli bo'lsa-chi. So Jim, okay. Has Jim met Mrs. Jones? And buni o'tgan zaman shakli Jim met her 2 weeks ago. Jim met her 2 weeks ago. Next one is I have breakfast 7 o'clock. Okay, men allburun tamoq yeb oldim. I have had breakfast. Shunami? I have had breakfast. I have already had a breakfast. Demak, I have no o'tgan zaman shakli had. I had at 7 o'clock. Okay, I had at 7 o'clock. And the boss leave 10 minutes ago. Xo'jayin ayrıldı 10 minut burun. The boss leave 10 minutes ago. The boss leave 10 minutes ago. And the boss has already left, right? The boss has already left. Okay, and bu o'tgan zaman shakli so'rasanlar, misharga leave ning o'tgan zaman shakli left bo'ladi. Demak, the boss left. Okay, the boss left 10 minutes ago. Demak, o'tgan zamonga aniq vaqt olamiz. Hozir bitgan zamonga aniq vaqt elishga qat'iy bo'lmaydi. Aniq vaqt elishga bo'lmaydi. Xo'sh, and ask and answer. Avval so'rab, bundan keyin qanday qilib javob bering dedi. Masalan, Emma sharpened pencil an hour ago. Demak, Emma mulkligimizni qilsanlar, has Lily or has Emma sharpened her pencil yet? And yes, he has already sharpened her pencil. Okay, sharpened her pencil. And so when did Lily sharpen her pencil? She sharpened her pencil an hour ago. Demek bundan avval senden ben çağırak sorayımız. Zarı o uçladı mı ya uçladı mı? O Allah burun uçlap oldu. Ondan kaçan uçladı? O 1 saat burun. Demek bizge berilgende hem de ilgisine, onun için pilne, onun için hem de müşeriki nersin objektini berip oldu. Şunama? Sizler bu senden ben çağıran koçunu kandak bakınlar ediyor. Sanlar bu şunu isteyen ki sınıf bakmaz. Hoş. Ansıma kim misallarla she tell him the truth last night. Okay. And bunun sual şeklini verirsenler, has she told him the truth yet? İşte mi? Bununki sual şekli. Cevap bir bakınlar. O dep oldu. Allah burun. Değil mi? Yes. she has already told the truth. Right? She has already told him the truth. So, قاچان dedi? 뭐죠? When did? So, when did she tell him? Okay. When did she tell him the truth? Okay. And she told him the truth last night. Okay. She told him the truth last night. Told him the truth last night. And he sent a letter yesterday. He sent a letter yesterday. O tünügün qanday qildi? Onanga bir pachqa tabatdi. So, has it sent him a letter yet? Okay, yeah. She has already sent a letter. Okay, so when did he send a letter? Sent a letter. O qachon yo'lladi? He sent a letter yesterday. Okay, he sent a letter yesterday. Demek o'tgan zamonga, o'tgan zamoncha javob beradigan gap. Xo'sh, endi she swept the floor yesterday morning, shunami? Endi u ya'ni supurib bo'ldimi? Demak, bunga has she swept the floor? Savolga, keniga? Yet. Yaxshi. Has she swept the floor yet? Yeah, she has already swept the floor. U allaburun supurib bo'ldi. So, qachon supadi? When did she sweep the floor? Qachon supadi? She swept the floor yesterday morning. She swept the floor yesterday morning. U tünügün qanday qildi desam supadi. So, Nigel bought a new house ago. Okay. Okay, and demakchi, has Nigel bought a house yet? Yes, she has already bought a house. So, when did he buy it? U qachon sotib oldi? O'tgan zamondan when did he buy it? He bought it 2 weeks ago. O'sha gapda buni qanday qildi? Sotib oldi. He bought it 2 weeks ago. Demak, endi buni yig'ib aytganda, shunday men shundan savol shakli shu hasni yoki have ni oldiga chiqib qo'ygandan, inkor shakli hasni keyin natni qatqandan, undan o'tgan zaman ko'rsanglar, ama shu do yordamchi bo'ladi, do ishbarini o'tgan zamanda did qo'ylandi. Didning keyin natni qatib qo'ysak inkor, didni igni oldiga o'tkazsak nim bo'ldi desanglar, savol aylanadigan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa choose the best answer ma tanlash qaranglar. Number 1, what are you going to do this morning? Bugun atdegan nima ish qilmoqchi esa, I yet. Okay, men bir qaror kelmadim deganicha. Demak, hamda bizga bir natijani beradi-ku bu yana. Demak, hamda bu shanda men chaqniki inkor shakli qaysi bo'lsa, bu yerda faqat nima deyman? See. I hasn't decided yet. Okay, John, we have found your watch. My watch, thank you. Where? Nereden tepib olding? Okay, buni qaysi bo'ladi? Shanda men ham bilamdi yoki nima bilamdi? Buni nima desam, shu o'tgan zaman bo'ldi. Siz nereden topdingiz? Demakchi bu topmoqdan iborat bu ish. Alloh bir yuz berib bo'ldi. Shuni tepib bo'ldi shunami? Demak, shu nereden topdingiz? So where did you find? Where did you find? I found it on the floor. Shunami? Okay. Number 3, my friend knows you very well because he many times. Demak, shu sizdan necha qilim ko'rishib o'tgan. Demak, shu aniqlab qanday desam, shunda men aniq vaqt emas. Keyin shu hozirgi kutgan zaman bo'ldi. Rastligi nima? He bu yerga has. Okay, he has seen many times. O necha qatim uni bilan qanday qilib bo'ldi? Ko'rishib bo'ldi degandek. Okay. All right, guys, that's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.